serious warning right now for all USDJPY traders. So if you are trading USDJPY, I have a serious warning for you that you need to pay attention to on the chart right now so that you don't be in the wrong direction of the market. And I am also going to take a look at Euro USD. So pay attention and watch this video to the very end. If you are new here, my name is Paradise. On this channel, I discuss everything about Forex, day trading strategy to keep you profitable. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more Forex videos like this. Also check the channel for other Forex content. Something is going on right now on USDJPY, and all USDJPY traders must pay attention to this. Look at the market moving upward all the way. I've been talking about this, and USDJPY is one of my favorite pair, and that is why I talk about this always on this very channel. And because it is good to trade for me, and it's one of the best pair to trade for me, and also Euro USD. And the market move all the way upward to this very area and then come back a little bit to the downside. That is fine, but something is happening on the chart which a lot of person is not paying attention to, and a lot of traders are not also paying attention to. A lot of people are not talking about it on YouTube. Look at it here. Market is going to come back down. I am seeing this market moving to the downside, coming to the market right now from this very area. Okay, market may not have that high capacity of moving all the way upward. Okay, the possibility of market creating a new high is there, but not as strong as we see on this very impulsive move to the upside. So market move all the way from here upward, and we have this correction. So what I'm saying is market can just move a little bit upward to create a further new high and then begin to have a good correction to the downside. That is the most important thing about this very video. I'm also going to verify that with other technical factors. And if you look at this very area, market move and move all the way upward, looking at the RSI indicator, something very different on the chart. If you look at it from this very point where the market is right now, from here where the market entered in the past to this very area where the market is right now, you see the market is moving upward, creating a new high. So this is a higher high formation. And if you look at the same point on the RSI indicator, it is called a market at the peak from this very area and then come back down. This is a complete divergence. A lot of person is not talking about this, and a lot of person is not also saying this on the chart right now. So from this very point on the chart, and exact same point, this very area on the indicator, and also exact same point here on the chart, and exact same point on the indicator at this very point, this is a bearish divergence. What it means is that very soon the market is going to move to the downside. Okay, the possibility of market moving a little bit upward is there and then begin to come back to the downside. So what you need to pay attention to right now is a downward movement, and I am expecting that downward movement to come in for this bearish divergence to happen within this very zone right here. So once the market go down below this very price level of 159.71, then market is going to come back to the downside for that significant bearish move downward. And this is a retracement, guys. This is not a reversal. A reversal is possible, but as the market come back down and break this very level of support and begin to move to the downside, before we can say a reversal want to happen, we want to see the market go below this very level of previous support, this very area right here, and create a new low at this very point before we can say market is about to reverse, before market will move upward and continue this movement to the downside. So two things: market have to come back down, create a new low at this very point, and then have a failed swing at this very area and then begin to come back to the downside. That is only when we can say the market is going to reverse and come back to the downside. But for me, on this note, this is just a deep retracement. Pay attention to that. This is just a deep retracement. What that means is market have capacity of coming back down from where it is right now. Once it breaks below this very level of support, it's going to come back down with aggressive movement downward before continuation to the upside again. What that means is on the 4-hour chart, which is the lower time frame, we will be paying attention to selling the market downward. Okay, so we'll be in profit for this very massive good correction that is coming to the market on USDJPY. The most important thing is there is a bearish divergence on the chart right now, which is a possible move downward, and once it cut below this very level of support, I am looking at market coming back to the downside aggressively on USDJPY chart. This is very important right now. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, something that is also very important on the 4-hour chart is this. If you look at it, I talk about this divergence also that is on the 4-hour chart. From this very area, market keep moving upward, and this is a very great divergence. And also from this very point, market keep coming back to the downside. Okay, so this is also a divergence from this very point. If you take from this very point, it's a divergence. If you take from this very area, it is also a divergence as well. And market is coming back down. What this means is once we begin to see the market break this very level of important support, this very area, which I talk about, this zone on the 1-day chart, once market drop below this very area, then we're going to see the market begin to move to the downside, and this move is going to continue very aggressively on USDJPY. So on USDJPY, once we cut below this very zone of support, begin to look for sell opportunity. It is no longer time to buy the market. It is now time to sell the market once we break below this very level of integral support. This is so important on the 4-hour chart, and as at that time, the 1-day chart divergence will fully come into play, and it will fully align with this very perspective. So this is what you need to pay attention to right now, and this is for all USDJPY traders. Now on the Euro USD chart, I told you that market is going to move upward, and right now we are seeing the market move upward and stopping at this very point of important resistance. I am expecting this market to still make a progressive move to the upside. If you look at the RSI indicator, market is moving upward, and I am expecting that this market to move upward significantly into this very zone of important resistance, this very area right here. The most important thing in this video is that you should pay attention to selling the market on USDJPY once we break out on this level of support, and this is very important for all USDJPY traders. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more forex videos like this. Also check the channel for other forex content, and if you've not registered with any broker, please check the description of this video. You see my recommended broker and follow the link and the registration right away. Thanks for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.